The Herbert Wertheim College of Medicine is home to various laboratories that help carry out our strategic research initiatives. We aim to discover and advance medically relevant knowledge to improve health outcomes in the community, region, nation, and world. Within the labs, we have the support of our amazing administrative and staff employees that aid our faculty and students throughout this process. Within the next few minutes, you will hear from some of our administrative and staff employees and learn a little more about each research area.
My name is Steve Black. I'm the director of the FIU Center for Translational Science in Port St. Lucie, Florida. So translational research is basically bench to bedside. So here we're doing fundamental research into mechanisms of disease, and the hope is by bringing a cadre of phenomenal investigators together is we can decrease the time between our understanding of the disease and getting drugs into people to help cure the disease. The major goal of CTS, the Center for Translational Science, is to actually break down silos. So what we want to have is people, top researchers that are interested in collaboration. So that's why when we renovate the building, we've taken down all the walls. So essentially the labs will flow into each other. So the idea is people will interact on a daily basis. So ideas will ferment, will go backwards and forwards. And then the hope is by that we can again accelerate our translational research.
Hello, my name is Kyle Martin. I am the manager of the Translational Glycobiology Research Institute here at Florida International University, or as we call it, the TGIF. Come inside and I'll introduce you to some of the people and let them tell you what they do, and we can look at some of the equipment that we have here. So come inside. So in the TGIF, we have an ultracentrifuge that will spin up to 100,000 RPM. We also have a 23 color flow cytometer named the A3 Symphony that will look at 23 colors at one time. We also have a Fax Melody that is a 12 color sorter to do cell sorting, and we have a 12 color Fax Celesta.
Hi everyone, my name is Jordan Carroll. I'm a research assistant, soon to be research technician here in the Dimitrov lab at the Translational Glycobiology Institute at FIU. I started with the lab in 2020 as an undergraduate student, so I have been here for 2 years. I'm currently working on my third. My ultimate goal is to become a physician, and I'm applying to medical school this cycle. In the Dimitrov lab, we study changes to cell surface sugar structures called glycans and their role in cancer progression. We also study a special class of carbohydrate binding proteins called galectins and how their binding capacity changes in response to these changes in glycan structure. In a broad sense, you could say that we study glycosylation and its role in multiple myeloma and metastatic melanoma. Nice to meet you all.
Hi, my name is Adriana Inda. I'm the laboratory manager for Dr. Herbert Nair, and I've been working in school for 12 years, and I'm in charge of all the safety, the purchasing, and also I'm doing research in HIV, Alzheimer's disease, and we also work with addiction, like with drug addiction, and then we check the synaptic plasticity or inflammation. We also work with CRISPR-Cas9. We work with different drugs such as cocaine, morphine, THC, and CBD.
Hi, I am Deborah Brooks. I am a research specialist in Dr. Nair's lab, and I manage all the in vivo work we do in this lab. We're currently working with a couple animal models with HIV and Alzheimer's, and I run the genotyping to verify the genotype of the animals. From those results, we give them a nanoformulation to try to target the symptoms of those diseases that cross the blood-brain barrier with the formulations that we create for the treatments.
Thank you.